And out to Martin Street on Lagos Island, where the Great Nigeria Insurance Building, housing, clothing and textile materials worth several millions of naira has been engulfed by fire. Emergency responders on Thursday battled to contain the inferno as at the time that this report was filed, and several adjoining buildings have also been affected, leaving many traders facing a bleak festive season. New Central's correspondent Israel Eferobor, who has been monitoring the incident, joins us now from the scene for updates. Hello, Israel. What update do you have for us? We can still see the smoke from the flames.
To your blessings, yes, indeed. The building that where the fire started yesterday is still has pockets of fire here and there. If we take a look at what is on your screen right now, that is where the fire started from, and there is a partial collapse. We were actually on the ground at about almost midnight when this section of the building caved in, and we understand that, unconfirmed though, that some people were trapped in there, but we cannot confirm that. Some people were on the ground today, and they were saying exactly what I just told you, that some people have been communicating with those on the outside, that they are inside, but the authorities have not said this to us. This information was given to us by those on the ground, that people may have been trapped in there because they have been communicating with them. So far, so good. The fire actually affected I've counted about four or five buildings here so far. And if you take a look at this particular building closest to the Great Nigeria Insurance House, that's where the fire started from, this building can actually cave in any moment from now. If you look at it closely, there are cracks all across the building, from the very top to the very bottom of the building. There are cracks all along, and the firefighters and authorities around here, the Red Cross, LASEMA, they have come here to warn that even for journalists who are covering the story, that we shouldn't move too close to this building because it can cave in at any moment from now. Well, the firefighters are at this point also still trying to put out the pockets of fire that are still remaining, trying not to have a resurgence, a reignition of the fire pockets that we have here and there. Blessings.
Despite the fact that we're hoping that there are no casualties, as yesterday I know that we couldn't establish the number of casualties, if any, but has anything been said regarding that today? All right, that's Israel Eferobor with the update on the fire